kay atong i-open ang ato ang order na silver. Thank you kay sa nag-order ani. Thank you so much. Thank you. Order ani. Pero naay ka Inday ani. Naihatag si mama ni Inday kaya nag-goodbye lang si Inday sa school. Chank.
Sama ini.
Sila nun. Thank you kaayo, day, sa imong order, ani, day. Inday, Jing. Thank you kaayo, na po tayo order, guys. Order. We have, what is this?
Oh my gosh, earrings.
Ay, nag-order na to, oh.
Earrings.
Earrings. Gwapa kayong earrings.
Earrings.
Day, gwapa kayong earrings, day. I like it. Ganda. Kakaibang style. Thank you kaayo, day, Jiniga. Sa imong orders. Pretty orders.
What for you, Mama?
Ganda. Ganda siya, guys. So pretty. See? So elegant kaayo ang order. Oh, look at guys. Look kayo siya orders. Thank you so much sa nag-order. And peace. Thank you so much. Thank you kaayo. So, order for your order. Ang order. Thank you. Nice order. Next is kini siya for my baby, Inday. Kaya nag-goodbye si Inday. Nga siya reward ni Mama. Give me your hands. Another one, another hands. Baby, dali ka mo. Your hands. Look at to. Kasi terno naman kasi to eh. Terno magulo ni Inday. Oh, look. Yung hands. Oh, pang baby. Terno mo na siya. With earrings. Asang hands? Kung gusto mong ma-order o pang bata nga terno na silver. So, thank you. Bye-bye. What you say to Mama? Nag-give ni Mama ni mo.
Thank
Give to
you.
Mama.
Thank you.
Welcome.